Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is October 21st, 2025. This video is in a JAMA Medical news article titled Trying to Unravel Why Alzheimer's Disease is More Common in Women. This article was published online September 26, 2025. Why is Alzheimer's disease more common in women? Although women live longer, biological and socio-cultural factors like hormones, X chromosome genes, APOE4 variant, and education all play roles. Do women and men have different genetic risks? Yes. APOE4 increases Alzheimer's risk more in women. X chromosome genes may influence vulnerability, though research is ongoing. How do sex hormones affect Alzheimer's risk? A decline in estradiol at menopause may reduce brain protection, increasing Alzheimer vulnerability in women. Are plaques and tangles different in women? Yes. Tau accumulates fast in women and leads to more rapid cognitive decline in presence of amyloid beta. What did the Medicaid cohort study find? Women with dementia live longer than men. 1-year mortality was 24% higher in men despite adjustments for comorbidities. Do clinical trials address sex differences? Not adequately. Many trials like lecanemab show sex-specific responses but did not analyze data separately for men and women. Does hormone therapy help reduce Alzheimer's risk? The evidence is mixed. Estradiol may aid memory if started early, but the WIMS study showed increased dementia risk with hormone therapy in older women. What's the role of X chromosome? The women's second X has genes that may escape inactivation and affect brain biology, potentially impacting Alzheimer's risk. Are microglia and astrocytes influenced by sex hormones? Yes. Estrogen modulates their inflammatory and neuroprotective roles, but effects of hormone therapy on them in Alzheimer's disease remain understudied. What are some female-specific risk factors? Adverse pregnancy outcomes, autoimmune disease, and breast cancer are understudied contributors to women's dementia risk. Do men or women have more risk factors for dementia? Women tend to have more risk factors like depression, diabetes, poor sleep, while men have higher rates of alcohol abuse and hearing loss. Does sleep quality matter? Yes. Poor sleep is associated with worse cognition in women, but not significantly in men. Do modifiable risk affect cognition differently by gender? Indeed. For example, smoking worsen cognition in men, but not women, while hearing loss and diabetes impacted women more. How should trials approach gender-based differences? Intervention trials should tailor strategies by sex as risk factors, impacts, and treatment responses differ between men and women. Why is ongoing gender-based research critical? Understanding gender-specific biology is key to targeted prevention and therapy. Cutting funding may impede such breakthroughs. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues. When we change how we see disease, we change how we shape lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. Podcast brought to you by masterbedfacts.com. This podcast is for physicians and healthcare providers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and forward to your friends.